hear you, then that's really a shame. He not only hears you, but He knows you by your name. We have a God who is able, whom we can trust completely. With God, all things are possible, for He is our blessed hope. He'll give us His wisdom and ability to complete our tasks. When we seek in total submission, He will give us what we ask. The wisdom He gives is a light to our trail in order to accomplish His will in our life. Our God never leaves us even when we fail, always waiting for a submissive heart. All things are possible when our trust is in Him. All that would hinder us will surely fail. He is our source. We will certainly win. When our trials and problems are too heavy to bear, there is always rest under His bed, for He is our blessed hope.
Ayan. Ayan, I agree. Palakpakan po natin lahat ang ating mga contest.